What's up guys, this is Vinny with Overalls Detail and this is my YouTube channel. So I've been trying to make small videos myself on Instagram for a while now and it has not been what I wanted. So we're gonna do a big thing here and we're gonna launch the YouTube channel. Now we're gonna launch the channel starting off with the Crystal Serum Light, which I love, by Gtechniq, and we're gonna be working on this brand new 2019 Hyundai. Paint's beautiful on it, so what we're gonna do is gonna prep it, give it a nice wash, iron removal on it as well, and we're always going to do a polish, right? So today we're gonna do a one-step polish because the paint is so beautiful on it, and then we're gonna coat. This Crystal Serum Light should give it about 3 years protection with regular maintenance, and I know the maintenance because I maintain these cars twice a week. So let's get started and hope you guys enjoy the video. All right guys, so now that we soaped up the car, gave it a nice hand wash, we're going to do some iron removal, okay? So even though the car looks super clean and beautiful, it's still a lot of oxidation and these minuscule things that we can't see. Well, the iron remover is gonna make sure that we get that stuff out, okay? So you're gonna just wanna apply it regularly as you would apply any spray to the car, and very quickly, you're going to see the iron remover at work. All right, now this is a Gtechniq Iron in General Fallout Remover. It smells pretty bad, that's the only critique I have it, but it works really well. And we're gonna get the car rinsed out and dried so we can bring it inside and start the process. We just got done with the wash, got done with the iron removal, and now we're coming in and doing really the thick work of applying the coating. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna do one step just due to this paint being so new, okay? And something I said before is don't let people tell you that you need to wet sand and buff and polish a car before you apply your coating. You don't. You need to be the judge of how the paint is, how it feels. This one is a brand new car, just a minor defect, so we're just going to do a one-step removal with one of my favorite products, and this is the Sonax Perfect Finish here. I'm also going to be using a Rupes here, and this is a 5.5-inch foam pad, and I like that because I can work with the corners a little bit better when the pad is smaller. Just my own preference. All right, so let's get to it. We're going to start here with the hood and do the real hard work of this process, okay? We're gonna just get a few dots here. I'm gonna prime it a little bit, okay, just to make sure we got it going here a little bit. And then a couple more dots. All right, now let's get to it. Start here with just a little square, just so we can get a nice idea of what it's going to do. My speed here is right in between 4 and 3, so we can make sure that we don't take too much clear coat off, or just know exactly what we're doing, a trial phase here, okay? Most paints that you touch, you're probably gonna have to do a trial phase, meaning what product works best, what pad works best, right? Every paint is different, so make sure that you leave yourself some wiggle room to work around. All right guys, so we're done with the polish. We did a one-step polish with the Sonax Perfect Finish. The paint is super smooth. I don't see any marring. I don't see any swirl marks, but there is residue left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down with the panel wipe, and like I said, I love Gtechniq, so I got the Gtechniq panel wipe, and we're going to remove this leftover polish. By doing that, your paint is gonna be completely bare. So now you can apply your coating and your coating will bond. So now we are ready to do the most important part. The reason we're here, we're gonna coat the car with one of my favorites, Crystal Serum Light. So this is a 3-year protection with proper maintenance, okay? So if you're applying a certain yearly amount of coating, it's not exactly what the bottle says. You're gonna get 3 years, 5 years. It depends on how you maintain the car as well. So make sure that your clients know that if you put a $1,000 coat on their car and then they take their car to the car wash, it's going to completely ruin that coating, okay? So it requires proper maintenance. Just an awesome hand wash should take care of it. And now we're gonna get going on this awesome car, finally. You get a good stream there, okay? Make sure that we can coat it. You're going to see immediately when you apply, all right? As a mobile detailer, remember, you really want to be inside or under some awesome tents if you're going to do this, because if it dries too fast, it will ruin your paint. You're going to have to remove the coating, and that's gonna cause a lot of headache, okay, for you to remove the coating. The coating is something that is bonding to your paint, and you're going to have a hard time removing it. We're gonna come in now after it's applied with a brand new microfiber towel, and we're gonna wipe that residue off. It clearly wipes off very easily. Try to do it like I do it with a buff. Go in opposite direction just to make sure we got it all covered. All right. So initial wipe. And once you start wiping it off, you feel a difference. It's so smooth now, right? You can put something on top of this hood, which you wouldn't want to do, and it probably would just slide off. So once we're done with this application, you probably want to let it sit for about 6 hours or so. Another thing is make sure to tell your client to not run this under a car wash. So we did half of the hood here now. What am I gonna do is I'm gonna take the time and go ahead around the whole car and make sure that we get it all coated, and then we'll show you the final product. All right, so we just got done applying some VRP to the tires to make sure the tires are glossy, no sling, and protected for a little bit as well. Now, this is the final product, all right? So it turned out really well. I can already see that the coating is bonding very nicely. As you can see, you get a mirror-like quality from this paint, especially in this color. So as a mobile detailer, you follow these steps, you're gonna be able to apply pretty much any coating indoors, if you have a tent, outdoors, and it'll look awesome like this, all right? I want to thank the guys at Film Matte Cinema. They're gonna hook up all of these shots and make sure that we have an amazing product for you guys. My name is Vinny with Overalls Detail, and this is my YouTube channel.